abafethu enye into engirealizile ne athi emakhaya ihlezi semuva ngento ezininzi, I understand, but I realize emakhaya isemuva ku development, isemuva kwi-skills, isemuva like ngezinto ezigrand, but ngento ezibhedayo ayikho semuva. Trust me, like what I've realized njengoba ngifika emakhaya guys, I really know ukuthi emakhaya abantu bala baphuza ngalendlela abaphuza ngayo, and baphuza ngendlela like emangazayo. Yebo into le baphuza ngendlela emangazayo, and you can bet ukuthi lento le bayithathaphi. Yebo, you can say in the cities and everywhere, but why bengathathi into ezi-right baze nazo this side to develop this place? Instead, like they always chasing izinto unnecessary, into like ezo-destroyer like even ubomi babo, even ubomi bengane zabo. Yayibona loo nto. I'm saying this because like guys, alcohol lana iphuzwa ngenye indlela eyisimanga, special to December, but even like namanje, because like I've been here, I think December 22, manje siku February manje, I think 1 month and some couple of weeks. But yeah guys, it's hella crazy, bafethu, ngendlela eyisimanga bafethu. I won't lie to you, ngendlela eyisimanga blind. It's hella crazy here guys, it's hella crazy the way people they live, it's very sick bafethu, it's very sick, like bayalimala. Angithola youth yala idla ama-drugs, angithola there's a tree style la, there's izoli, there's izikarete ezahlukahlukene, they do all those things, and angali life yabo leyo, life yabo, and everyone akune right life yakhe. But into engizibuza ukuthi why this world is not developing in good things but is developing in the bad things, you understand? It means 2 years to come lana soke sibona amanye ama-drugs just like abo-coke, angithola o-cat, zonke ezi-drug ezilejuzi onyawupi. It means sozibona la, it means they are coming here because mfethu even ezitherapyard la already sezivuliwe, sebekhona omini riding, omini what do you call this place now, omini nyawupi bakhona already la. You understand? This place like is very fucked up guys, I don't lie to you. You understand? Like it's very fucked up. And into engibuhlungu semakhaya, we grow here sikhuyele la. Uyayibona leyo nto, sikhuyele lana. Sinto esizibona la manje misingaziboni ngenkathi zethu. Uyabo? But manje sesiyazibona sazukunese and senza zingane ezincane kunathi. You understand? So it shows ukuthi bafethu if like emakhaya kuso